What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I'm going to show you how to take a temperature with this infrared thermometer. I just picked this up because it's fairly unintrusive to use an infrared thermometer to take a temperature. And this one is a very small one. Ooh, looks like it comes with AAA batteries, which is nice because everything you need will be right out of the box. It won't come out of its bag though. Come on, don't be shy. And here is the thermometer. It's actually pretty sleek looking. It's got a plastic on the front, and then it has a piano black and then it looks like we have a button right there. You see? It looks like a remote control, and then there is a little infrared blaster. And all you're going to do is remove the battery compartment like this, then put in the batteries. Got their batteries in, and now we have an LED display in Fahrenheit right behind the glass there. And the way you use this is you would put it up to, say, your forehead, pretty close, 2 to 3 centimeters away, and you want it right between the eyebrows. It looks like you don't want to be too high or too low, just right about there. So I'm going to see if I can do this. 2 or 3 centimeters will be about 2.5 fingers. So I'm just going to kind of line it up there like this, and then we will shoot it. And it beeped. Ooh, look at that. 97.4. Seems like we're right in the range where we should be. There's a little instruction booklet here if you want to reference that, but that is pretty awesome because I feel like for surface temperature, that's right where you want to be, and I feel fine and healthy. This is a super easy way to take the temperature. Look at that. It did it in 2 seconds. Let's see if we can just do it again here. Tap it. Grabbed it. 97.6. Seems pretty reliable. Dude, these are pretty awesome because they take temperature in the easiest possible way. I remember as a kid, you had to hold a mercury thermometer under your tongue, and of course, the anal ones aren't nearly as fun. I guess they can be. But if you have kids, you're sick, you don't want to transmit disease, this is the way you want to do it. Hey, if you want to pick up this little bad boy from Cocobear, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.